guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be playing Don't Press the Button 4. Let's start. Wow, these snowballs are so large. Oh no, it's going to hit me. Oh my, that was very sudden. Let's try not get hit this time. Close one. Let's see what comes next. Oh, clouds. So fluffy and large. I can jump to the moon at this point. Okay, let's speed this up. I just fell from the sky. Where did the clouds go? What is happening? Okay, finally back to normal. Oh, a shop. ASMR time. Done. Where am I and what happened? That was confusing. But congratulations to the winners. Oh, looks like Crossy Road. I am using my jetpack for this mission. So much faster than walking. Yay, we made it. Let's walk back now. We made it again. Yippee. Yum, pizza and soda. Oh, what is this? Fire? I don't like the sound of that. Wow. What is this? Is it like tag? I guess others are taggers. I am running all over the place. I don't think I will get tagged. Huh? Never mind, I spoke too soon. Anyways, that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this content, consider subscribing and liking for more videos like this. Thank you, bye.